I never know how to intro these videos. I've always started my videos with, hey guys, it's Mike. Like a freaking idiot. This is what I do. Hey guys, it's Mike and welcome back to the commentaries. Today we have 2, 4, 5 or 6 videos to show you guys that I found on the internets. And if you guys haven't seen these yet, and most of you guys have, they're on my Snapchat and my Instagram. So follow me at Smurfinwrx if anything. But let's dive right into the first video. Mike Wynn here is getting a little bit old. My back hurts. My shoulder hurts. My hurts. Everything hurts. This old body, I just can't take it anymore. I can't keep up with young buck. But when I get old, I want to be like this old man. Look at that smile. He's so happy. See? You see how happy that guy looks? That's me. I really wish and hope that is me, the old Grandpa Michael. When you guys look back at my YouTube videos, you could be like, Mike Wynn right there. He looks like a happy old man. But reality sets in. I'm most likely this guy, unfortunately.
Oh, fuck you!
Yeah, 20 years from now, you're just gonna see a video of me really wet, struggling to get back on the dock. Ah, the reality. But before I get old, I hope to have friends like this.
Back it up real quick. Back it up real quick.
When you're out in your big old lawn and you want to, move stuff like a tree trunk or something, what do? You have a couple beers and you just invite your friends over and it's like, hey bud, hey, tie the rope, a good old rope around the tree trunk right there, and just tell me when to pull, okay?
Drive, hit it.
And of course the stupid me goes, okay, I listen to you to tell me what to do and I do it for you, okay? No problem, no different culture.
Drive, hit it.
And that's the last time I'm gonna listen to Billy Bob tell me drive and hit it. You guys already know that police get a bad rap, and I'm very pro police and military on this channel, but sometimes you meet some nice cops. Sometimes. And this is one of them.
Immediately, the ball closes at 10. If you stay, you will be arrested for trespassing. Get out of here. Especially if you drive a slow Honda. If you drive a V8, I'll give you a 2-minute head start. The rest of you gotta go.
Come on, man, you can't be mad at this cop, right? But let me show you guys this. How do you guys get away with window tint? In California specifically, the driver and passenger window, one next to the driver and passenger, not the rear ones, but right next to us, we are not allowed to have window tint, which means zero as in 100%. 100% transparency through the window. No tint allowed. But this is a hack that you guys can use on yourself if you want to get away. Now, I'm not, condoning illegal activities, but hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and look the other way. I didn't see anything. I'm just gonna show you the video. My brain hurts. How did they do this? We gotta watch this again. How do you do this? It's so crazy. It's sometimes like you are black and then you not a black. That's pretty sick. I don't know how they do that, but Anna teach me. Any Transformer fans here? Transformer fans? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yeah. I told you, man, one day it's gonna be alive, and here it is. At my office, we had workplace beef and people wanted to fight each other, and we talked about this in a podcast before with Rob, and it almost came down to blows. John talked about it too. Well, this video legit came to blows, but they took the anger of work and the Transformers and combined them together. Oh my god, there was 3. Asian efficiency. See, this guy picks up the other guy to get him back into the fight. Like that wasn't enough. Check out angle 2. Until I saw this, it was like a 3v1. Not cool, bro. This next one is an old one, but a very good one. When teamwork doesn't actually equal teamwork, when 2 guys doesn't equal smart guy, it just sometimes does so stupid. I don't understand. At this moment, he knew he effed up. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right here. At this moment right here, we can all see what the big mistake is. He's wearing his hat backwards. Who wears their hat backwards these days? Aha, I know what they did wrong. They didn't rent a U-Haul. U-Haul has the lowest deck compared to the other guy. Don't believe me? Look at this picture. Honestly, it kind of looked like their friend kind of pushed him. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Any questions, leave in comments below. Please leave comments below so I can talk to you guys. Subscribe and like button as usual. Follow me on Instagram if you guys any questions. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out. Blah.